Hi, thank you for visiting this video. Today I just received orders from Redbubble and I'm gonna to share with you how it looks unpacking and what I ordered. Let's start it now. Okay guys, but what is Redbubble? Redbubble is a good online store with artist projects. So artists uploading the projects, but you can just choose their item which you're gonna order and put the projects from the artist to this item. So for example, you can order cover pillows and the projects from the artist will be on your cover pillows, or you can order pen and on the pen definitely will put also the projects, or even eco bag and there will put the artist projects too. And for more information you can visit exactly the link below in the description to see the projects and to see how it works, the company, or in making order. Okay guys, so what we have here is in the little bags there should be cover for pillows, and here in the biggest one should be blanket, the large king size, and also eco bag. So let's check out what is inside in the bag. Oh, I see already my blanket, and I see already my bag. So another, that should be 45 by 45 centimeters pillowcase, 16 inches by 60. So we have unpacking done, and now time for check everything that is good or not. So first we have eco bag. This look like that. This design is made by artist, and yeah, inside is another cover bag, so that will be stronger. It's not just one layer, it's two layers. It looks very strong. This is also strong, the holders. Yeah guys, and I love the project. 2 meters away is now, I think so, trending to have that kind of projects on your bag. You don't need to tell to the people that must to keep away from you for your safety. Just the bag will let them know. I will add the link below to this video, so if you like this project definitely you can order. Okay, so what else we have here is cover case pillow with my project from artist as well. I really love it. This is artist who drawing this by hand. It's just one at this moment. I just bought this first. If you want to have two, of course, like I said, you can have, but yeah, this is the artist which they make for me, and this is another one. This is 60 inches guys. Someone don't know inches is 45 by 45 centimeters, and I'm gonna to check this zipper. Yeah, I have here zipper, so it's so good, it's very proper, and it smells like new washed. I don't feel any chemicals or something like that, so it's very good quality from the day when I receive it. I know that we should wash it before use, but some from store you can feel that chemicals and very bad smell. This is really smell like ready to use. Yeah, and I have also here blanket is with the same design as the pillow. Because this is very large blanket. I don't remember the size, but it's king size. And to show you how it looks, I must to put this on my sofa. So definitely I'm gonna to show you how pretty, lovely, nice will look like. I hope it's not that I know already. I'm just so excited about this artist, how he make this, and how Redbubble print this. This is completely made so professional. It's really wow. And what more about the blanket here is so soft. It's nice, like you will have cat now, and that Kit Kat will hug you. It's really lovely. So if you're planning to buy blankets, you can pay for this one, and you will have extra that you have your artist who designed for you, or you just choose the project which you love. Okay guys, so I showed you the stuff which I ordered, but this is not yet end, and if you have little more minutes to stay, so just let me arrange this to my sofa. I'm definitely gonna to show you how it looks like when I put on my sofa, and how it looks like when I arrange this stuff. Yeah, so I will start guys from pillows. So here's the covers. I'm not so very experienced with arranging that stuff, but I will do my best to do fast. There's good material, so it's easy to arrange. Yeah, and I like the zipper. So like I said, I'm not experienced guys, so we have already one. Let me just quick finish the second one. I know that now I want to wait, but I'll do my best to just finish. Okay guys, so yeah, I'm a little bit more experienced in put cover to the pillows, and this is my pillows. I think so look pretty good, very nice projects. And I just wanna let you know that the pillows I bought separate, I ordered on Amazon, and yeah, I paid just like £8, but the rest, the cover and all what I showed you, I order on Redbubble. I just wanted to tell you that, to clarify that you must order pillow separate if you don't have it yet. I especially order new because I knew it that this will be special projects from artists. So yeah, I just will change my blanket to the new one, and we will see the effect. Okay guys, so I definitely on the last part of this video I will add for you pictures when you can compare how it looks the product which I order, and you can see more clearly how you like this what I order. And I will put link in the description especially for you, so you no need to search in the Redbubble, just you can go straight away and order the same. And one more thing, if you like what I showed you, so definitely you should thumbs up. I really appreciate it guys. And if you want to see more crazy reviews and a lot of ideas which I will have to show you, then you should definitely subscribe this channel now. Thank you very much if you did. Now, before I'm gonna to show you the photos, I wanted to show you the bag one more time. But everywhere is distance, so you don't need to be worried. This is your shopping. So I put my shopping, and yeah, definitely beautiful bag. I'm just wondering what will happen with this all after first wash, because the color are really bright and so good. But what I can say now, definitely I'm happy. This is super. The quality of also the comforter is super good, guys. And this also is good. So if you planning to have something special at your home, so definitely you should visit Redbubble, check the projects and order there. When it's coming to your home, you will see that I can guarantee you right now that the quality will be so good, but the project is just up to you what you will like to choose. There is 7,000 of projects, or even now more, so you really have to decide what you like. If not, then if you like mine and you want to be second or third person who will have this, so definitely I'm gonna to share with you the link and you can order the same one. Okay guys, so I hope that you subscribe my channel. I hope that you click like of these videos. I'm going now to shopping, but you stay on this video few seconds more, because on the end is the best part, which will show you the photos of this or what I order more clearly. So thank you once again and see you in next video.